Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. In this video we will gonna discuss about what partnership. Why do people like to invest in partnership? What are its benefits? Okay, two things just keep in mind while doing a partnership. First, it must be two or more members because if single member is there, he can't do partnership. He have to invest in a sole proprietorship. Second thing, if you are enjoying all profits, whether you are enjoying it in a ratio which is specified between the partners, or if ratio were not there, or you have to share the profits equally and losses as well. Yes, in partnership we consider business and businessman, firm or firm partners equal, or they are same. In partnership, firm and partners we consider one. If a firm is not able to pay off any loan or any liability, then partners have to sell their personal properties for it. These two things must keep in mind: share profit as well as losses equally or in ratio which is specified, which is written in the contract. That is, contract is known as, the name of the contract is partnership deed. Okay. Second thing is business and businessman is same in this partnership. Okay. First, membership minimum 2 member, maximum 100, but in banking maximum 100 member is there and minimum 2. Agreement must be written on order, but the agreement must be, the contract must be in written. That is known as partnership, the name of the contract. Business, yes. Partnership can be formed for only lawful business, not illegal business. Profit sharing, if no ratio is specified between partners or written in contract, then share profit equally and losses as well. Otherwise, the prescribed ratio, example 3 ratio 2 ratio 1, 1 ratio 2 ratio 3, whatever be decided between the partner. Liability, yes, liabilities partner is unlimited. If firm is not sufficient to pay off debt, then partner personal property may have to sell. Non-transferability of share. Yes, you can't transfer your share in partnership, but must, but you have to consent or have to involve other partners in your decision that you transfer your shares, your hissa, your interest, what you are getting from partnership to other or not. Registration not compulsory because contract is already there. Management, all partners will do all work of the business. Each partner duty is there. Time period, yes. uh, Suppose two partners are there, one died in accident, so the partnership is dissolved because partnership is between two persons. Easy to form, yes. No legal formality, no registration is there. So guys, this is the features of it. Features means characteristics, nature or visheshtaएं. Now merits, what are benefit of partnership? Why do people like to invest in a partnership? Easy to form because no legal formalities are there. Larger financial resources because all partners have to invest some little amount and total becomes more amount. Larger financial sources. Risk sharing, yes, if you are enjoying profit, you have to bear the risk also. Division of all partners duties assigned that in partnership, that what thing other partner will do or you do. Motivation, yes. Share of profit, how will you get? Work more, then you will get more profits, then you will get more earning because profit is divided between the partners. Secrecy, yes, in partnership information is secret because you don't have to publish your account or khate officially. You have to keep it this in your firm only, or with personal secret information between the partner. Flexibility, yes, you can expand your business or partnership or contract your business. Okay, are you getting what is expand or contract? Expand means more progression. Contract means not in place to to do or to develop the business. Okay, more scope of expansion. Yes, you, if partner are there, okay, you can get borrowing loans or other wealth means your personal property income you can invest. So guys, this is the feature, this is the merits of partnership. Why do people like to invest in partnership? Now we will gonna discuss demerits of the partnership. Yes, unlimited liability. Yes, because my personal property is in risk. If firm's property is not able to pay off the debt means loan, non transferability of share. Yes, you can't transfer your interest or share, you can't take decision by your own, you have to consult your partners, get permission of them, then you have to take any decision. Conflict, yes, because everyone has different opinions. Yes, okay, so conflict means fights between them, their argument between them. Uncertainty, yes, because we'll because of death. Insolvency means partner having no money. Incapacity of anyone, or no incapacity to business, like lunacy means mental disorder. Okay, risk of mutual agency, yes, if sometimes dishonest partner is there, dishonest, he will think of only of his benefits and makes business in risk. Lack of public confidence, yes, because they don't publish their accounts, then how can public trust them easily or invest in partnership? Okay, or purchase products of your firm. Okay guys, this is the topic, hope you like the topic. If you have any query, so student, please text me, we are here to help you. Thank you everyone.